Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fireman Canada, and today we're going to be doing a filter replacement on the Jura ENA 8 Touch. For this process, all you're going to need is a Clarus Smart filter. Now before you start this process, we recommend opening your new filter, turning it upside down, and letting some water from your tap run through it for about a minute. Once you do that, it'll pre-prime and charge it, and you're ready to go. To start the process, select the gear on the bottom left corner. Once you do that, you're going to remove your water tank and remove your old filter. When you have your old filter in hand, remove the extension piece. Take your new filter that has been pre-primed, connect it to the extension, put it back in the tank, and refill it with water. Now you're going to put your fresh water tank back on the machine and allow it to rinse itself into the tray. This will take you about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, you're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out our Instagram @Fireman_Canada for some cool and fun content, and fireman.ca for all your maintenance product needs.